the most common thing that people are worried about is their credit. A bankruptcy will stay on someone's credit for up to 10 years. And when people ask me about that, I say, well, if you're comparing having something on your credit for 10 years to being in a situation where you can't pay all your debts, the creditors are calling you, you're possibly in foreclosure, you're talking about different situations, neither of which is great, but I would take the hit to my credit as opposed to being in a situation where you're terminally stressed out, creditors are calling you or calling your family trying to find you. It just seems a better alternative that just make the decision, rip that Band-Aid off quickly and get this done, and in the end it will be a better situation for you and your family. I also tell people when it comes to their credit is a lot of times people who have a lot of credit, they might have some lates on their credit. Their credit's already been impacted. So filing bankruptcy is really not going to damage their credit too much more, if at all. And as a creditor, I would rather be dealing with someone, if you want to maybe buy a car or a house in the future, as a creditor, I would rather be dealing with someone who had a lot of debt but filed bankruptcy, made that decision, got a clean start, as opposed to a person who has a lot of debt, has lates, isn't paying their debts on time, and hasn't filed bankruptcy yet, because that person can still file bankruptcy on my loan if I'm a creditor. So I'd rather deal with someone who's gone through the bankruptcy process and has no debt.